Hello, for this ProRAE Studio software video, we are going to be working with the AutoRAE II docking station. And using the application, we are going to see how to import the data and change its settings. I'll post a link on the video description down below on where you can download the ProRAE Studio software. Let's go ahead and open the program. Under Login, choose Administrator and type in the default password, which is RAE, with lowercase letters. Once you have the docking station powered up and connected to the computer, click on Auto Detect, and it should automatically recognize your AutoRAE II controller. Let's go ahead and choose Select. Go ahead and double-click on AutoRAE II and choose Setup from there. It will start to download the current settings from your docking station. From the top, it will give you a detailed overview on the AutoRAE II settings. You have your clock information in which you can sync the controller's time with the time seen on your PC. You also have the option to change the password on your controller. In the After a Bump Test Fails feature, you can set a follow-up action. You can follow it up with a calibration or redoing a bump test. With the Print Certificate option, you can set it to automatically print the results when completing a calibration test when connected to the PC. From there, you have your gas inlet setup. You can change the gas type and concentration for your cal gas, the purge time, and the soak time as well. When you're done with the changes, you'll have to upload the information back to the controller. Another option we have is to update the firmware on the cradle. From here, we'll need to run the programmer and select the firmware file. You can download the latest firmware on our RAE Systems website. And that will be it for this video on how to change the settings on the AutoRAE II.